Java's magic lies in its portability. Write once, run anywhere. This is possible due to the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, the invisible force that powers Java applications. Understanding the JVM is key to unlocking the full potential of Java programming. It's the foundation upon which Java's power and flexibility are built. The JVM is not a physical machine. It is a software environment that provides a platform for Java bytecode execution. It acts as an intermediary between the Java code you write and the underlying operating system. Think of it as a virtual computer residing within your computer, capable of understanding and executing Java bytecode. The JVM's operation involves several key stages. First, the class loader loads Java classes into memory, making them available for execution. Then, the runtime execution engine takes over. It uses an interpreter to execute bytecode instructions line by line. To boost performance, the just-in-time compiler, or JIT, translates frequently executed bytecode into native machine code. The JVM also excels at memory management. It automatically allocates and deallocates memory, relieving developers from this complex task. Garbage collection, a key feature, identifies and removes objects that are no longer in use, freeing up memory resources. Section 4. The power of JVM platform independence and more. The JVM is the cornerstone of Java's platform independence. Java code compiled into bytecode can run on any system with a JVM, regardless of the underlying operating system. This write once, run anywhere capability is a major advantage of Java. Automatic memory management simplifies development and reduces the risk of memory leaks. The JVM's security features provide a safe execution environment, protecting against malicious code. Section 5. Embracing the JVM for Java excellence. Understanding the JVM is essential for any serious Java developer. It provides insights into how Java code is executed, optimized, and managed. This knowledge empowers developers to write more efficient, robust, and secure Java applications. Dive deeper into the world of JVM, explore its inner workings, its components, and its impact on Java development. Your journey to Java mastery begins with understanding the magic of the JVM.